Hi, welcome back to another video. My name is Senya if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing micro beauty habits that will contribute to your confidence as well as your overall feeling of yourself. Beauty is not only skin deep, but today I will be talking about beauty on a more visible level. And if you're not new to my channel, you do know I do speak a lot about being beautiful spiritually as well as mentally, because at the end of the day, that is really what's going to make you glow. We can do so much on our outer beauty, but if our heart's not right, we're going to struggle attracting the people that we want to attract and attracting positivity in our lives. So let's always keep that in our mind while we're watching these kinds of videos. With that being said, I do have 6 habits to becoming more attractive. We're going to start off with things that we can do to become more attractive, things that you can do without any money and it's completely free. So to start off with, the first beauty tip to becoming more attractive is posture. Posture is so important. It just shows confidence. It shows that you really feel good about yourself. It shows that you have a strong sense of self. It is so important to think about your posture, because your posture is you speaking without actually speaking. You know, there is a difference between holding your posture hunched over and then holding your posture with your shoulders back. There should feel like you are trying to hold a pencil between your shoulder blades when you have posture. Moving on to the second tip, which is communication. When you are speaking to someone, you want to make sure that you're clear, you are sounding out all of your words, and you are speaking assertively but also softly. It shows that you are confident in what you're saying, that you know what you're talking about. And even if you do not know what you're talking about, be so sure in yourself that just because I may not know what I'm talking about at this moment, I have the tools and the knowledge to figure out what I need to be knowing to know what I need to be talking about. You get me? When you're communicating, there's a difference between communicating with someone who is mumbling and talking low, so you can't really understand what they're saying. And this can happen for a lot of reasons. You're nervous or just, little things like that. But when you speak up and you are assertive, but once again, still soft, this shows confidence in yourself. It makes you more attractive because people can hear what you're saying, and you have a beautiful voice. So let's go ahead and share that with the world. Someone who is talking proudly, talking as if they know what they're talking about, it makes people want to listen to you. So having a good, assertive, soft voice is one of the key ways to becoming more attractive. Moving on to beauty tips. We're going to start off with nails, okay? I love nails. Nails tell a story about someone, okay? Whether you know it or not, your hands tell a lot about you. When you know someone who always keeps their hands in check, and I'm not saying that they need to have a fresh mani every 2 weeks, nail polish, jewels, none of that. That's not what I'm talking about. That's also beautiful. Don't get me wrong, I love it. I'm talking about you can have no polish on your nails, just have a nice filed nail, whichever shape you want. You have no chip polish. It's either polished or no chip polish. You got to pick a decision, okay? If it's gonna be chip, babes, it's time to go. You can't have half polish. I'm sorry. That just, it's just not it. When your nails are done, and done in the sense of polish, no polish, just nicely filed, clean nails, moisturized hands are good nails. When someone has taken care of their hands, it shows that they took a beat for themselves to take care of themselves and pay attention to the little details. A lot of the times we get caught up in our outfits. We might even get caught up in our hair, our shoes. But when was the last time that you took a beat and looked at your hand? And you could really tell how much someone is taking that time to be detailed and pay attention to themselves when their hands are always looking well groomed, well moisturized, just quite frankly, just put together. For example, I do my own nails. I bought a Gel X kit from Amazon. I do do all of my own gel nails. It's been something that actually has become very therapeutic for me. I've actually always done my nails, even as a kid before the lights. I was doing my nails. I personally feel so much better when my nails are done. When I'm going through those stages of my nails being half this, half that, I don't feel as good. And I don't want anyone to look at my hands. I feel like no matter what profession you're in, people are looking at your hand and you want to make sure that they're cleaned and groomed. So I completely understand if you would like to be a girly who gets your nails done more often. There are so many ways you can have the nails you want these days, which are so nice. You can get the press-ons, you can do your own gel, you can do regular nail polish. I have linked my list of Amazon nail products that I use to keep my nails looking on 10 all the time. So I have that there for you. Moving on to the next tip, which is hair. Hair is my main thing, okay? So I guess when my nails and my hair aren't done, I guess it's just all over for me. Pick at least 3 styles that you like your hair to be in that make you look nice, put together. Say if your hair is dirty, a nice little low bun is cute, keeps it together. You don't have to feel any way you're serving face all day. You know what I mean? If you like your hair down, pick a nice little way, that you like to blow out your hair. Or nice, if you don't like to just leave it down and you like to do little fun stuff, really go ahead, spice it up. Feel what feels right for you. But when your hair is looking good, you feel good. It really makes you feel like you're put together, you have it under control, you're taking the time to take care of yourself, whether it's a bun, a ponytail, or something. Taking the time to take a beat to take care of yourself, and that's what's most important. Moving on to clothing. It is very important to have a capsule wardrobe. However, a lot of the times when I'm going through and seeing a capsule wardrobe, it looks like everyone's capsule wardrobe is supposed to look the same. And at the end of the day, a capsule wardrobe does not need to be the standard way of how a capsule wardrobe should look. A capsule wardrobe should tap into your style. Not everyone's style is going to be the same. We have different body types, we have different style, we do different things on a day-to-day. Pick those 5 to 10 basics that you need in your closet to make those different variations of clothing that you will feel good in. And these are going to be things that you might need to have for each season because, seasons change. When you have your staples that make you feel good, you know that you'll be able to wear clothes when you're going out, clothes when you're going to events, the office, your job. When you have these outfits, these staple pieces that you can mix and mingle, it makes being able to build on outfits so much easier. You start to become associated with a fashion style and it's your specific unique style, and that will automatically make you more attractive. Everyone knows you based on unique style. Last but definitely not the least, skincare. Skincare is so important. When your skin is feeling good, you feel good without makeup. That instantly helps you feel more confident, which then makes you more attractive. When you care for your skin, it's just like the same little details as caring for your nails. I know we all have our makeup routines. Maybe you don't, maybe you do, but I'm talking to the girls who have their makeup routines. Having makeup is great. Having our makeup routines are great. But when we are not taking care of our skin, our makeup is not sitting as well as it could. Makeup is supposed to enhance how we look. It's not something that we should be using as a crutch because we are neglecting our skin. There are simple, easy tips to caring for your skin for all different budgets. I personally use Cetaphil for face wash, and CeraVe day and night creams work wonders in my personal opinion. Using a nice toner, we don't need to use the crazy toners. Witch Hazel works just great for keeping it together. Always wear SPF on your face, your neck, your body. Your skin is the biggest organ on your body. Take care of your skin from head to toe. It's not all about your face. It is just a portion, but taking care of your skin will make you more attractive. You start to glow. You start to feel good without makeup or very little no makeup. You don't feel the need to cover things that you don't want seen. You're taking the time to really take care and nourish your skin. That in itself makes you more attractive. All in all, with all of these tips that I just shared, it all goes back to taking a beat and taking the time to take care of yourself. When you take the time to love on you, take care of you, you are instantly becoming more attractive. You're taking that time to fill your cup, to be able to shine the brightest that you can out in the world. You are loving on you. This makes you more attractive. So always remember, no matter what's going on, if you don't feel your best, it's going to shine in your aura, and we need you to feel your best, because at the end of the day, this makes you feel more confident, it makes you more attractive, and it makes you do well. You start to feel better. No matter what's going on, when you feel good, you'll be able to get through anything. That is all I have for today. If you did enjoy this video, please like, and please leave a comment below and let me know what are some beauty regimens that you do to feel more attractive. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.